Aloha y'all, welcome back to Pete's Treasures. I have a really fun haul for you today. I went to St. Vincent's and Thrift Giant on Monday, and that's my favorite day to go because they have 40% off the whole store for teachers. So I get some really good deals, and I thought it'd be fun to lump together a lot of my 90s items that I found. So I think I'm gonna call this a 90s haul. 90s was my childhood. And let's start, let's start with this backpack. It was only $3 and the zipper works. And of course it's Simba. Now I saw a Mufasa one and it actually didn't sell for that much, but I love this. It's so soft and it's in good condition. And of course it's vintage. And if I look at the tag, I believe it's Disney Store. So there we go. Just super cute. This is Pound Puppies, and I didn't notice the nose was in bad condition. It looks like a little child or adult, you never know, just kind of got in there and chewed on it. But he's super cute with his rainbow suspenders, and I'm disappointed now. Always check your plush, but you know, I got it for 58 cents. Maybe we can still sell it as is for maybe $10 or the suspenders, who knows. American Girl doll made these little animals, Ella, and you can see this is actually made of metal. It's kind of nice. American Girl, yeah, 58 cents once again, and the tag is kind of ripped off. It's not vintage, it's 2014. It reminded me of the 90s because my grandma used to volunteer at our library and she would shelve books, and they dedicated an American Girl doll to her. And super random. Sorry, I had to tell you that little bit of nostalgia. Welcome y'all to the Old Country Store in Jackson, Tennessee. And this is, it's like melamine basically, Continental Carlisle. Anyways, it is from Casey Jones Village. Let me know in the comments if you've ever gone to Casey Jones Village. My brother and I used to go when we were on our way to Kentucky, and I remember being sick one time as a little kid, and yeah, it was fun. They have this, you know, train. I don't really remember what was so special about it, but I do remember going a lot. Now, these were only like 41 cents each, and it is 30 pack of McDougal Handwriting Connection labels. So yeah, I thought we could put these in a set of 2 since people are doing homeschool right now, and I don't know, I'm a teacher, so I appreciated that. And it was cheap. Now these are Build-A-Bears. Before small fries came about, it's just a miniature version. You can see the Build-A-Bear tag right there, and it's a cute little moose. My dad used to collect little mooses. I know the plural is not meeses. Okay, I like Charming Tales, and so I just included it in this haul. Fitz and Floyd, of course, and I actually really liked this one. It was $5, called Sweet Dreams, but I think it's really cute how it has jelly beans, and he's so full from eating all of his sweets. Or her. Actually, you know, that's a chocolate version of the bunny. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like, that would be like me sleeping with a chocolate human. Does that make sense at all? Okay, anyways, let's move along from that. Here is where I got really excited at Thrift Giant. They had this never opened 12 pack of CD-ROMs that you would put in the computer. And I believe it's for Windows 95. This just takes me back. We have Jungle Book, the Mayo Clinic, Jack Nicklaus. I don't know if that's how you say his name. I love this, Campbell's All-American Recipes. This was $5, but I don't know, there were none online. There it is, there's the Windows Ready to Run. It has an original sticker of $30. I kind of want to sell it for that. Yeah, there's all the computer programs. I love this. Muppets Sound Patterns and Phonics. Super nostalgic for me, so I picked it up. Oh, and that has all the recipes. 400 recipes. Good. Oh, and y'all remember the screensavers? That was like a big deal. to have your own little screensaver. Anyways, I thought that was super fun. And then I also had to pick this up, $3. Now, this isn't a huge seller either, but I just love the fact that it's from the 90s. And when something is new in package, I just get all giddy. That's from Broderbund. And I totally remember having computer games from that company. Windows 3.1, Windows 95. It's Right Camera Action. Super cool. It's like a learning game, I guess. I don't know how much to sell it for. I see originally $10. It is vintage in package. There was one in bad condition for like $15, so I don't know. Maybe set it for $30 as well and see what happens. This, another 90s thing, Smackers. Who remembers Smackers? Make your own bath gel. I can't believe no one ever opened this. Look at our founders, Phyllis and Evelyn. Hey, girlies. It is from 1998. Bonnie Bell. And yeah, just super cute. I think this was like $1, y'all. So I had to pick that up. Now, this is not 90s, but super cool find. This is Longaberger. You know, they make the baskets. I don't find Longaberger very much. I have found Longaberger plates and like salad bowls, and they did well. But this is a top hat base. Now, what is that, do you say? $9. I actually got 25% off, so it was like $6.74. This is just pottery, ceramic. And you know what? I just realized that's curved a little bit. Oh, I think it's supposed to be curved on the sides, like a top hat. You have the Longaberger sticker. And basically, this was a basket, like they sell, of course, on top. And it made a top hat with a basket. I did look for that basket, but you know, maybe the basket got ruined and they got rid of this bottom part. Either way, this could probably sell between $30 and $40. I guess 30 is the number of the day, which is pretty good. This is Vintage Japan. I haven't seen a sticker like that. It almost reminds me of the Joseph Originals that I love. They always have that gold foil. But yeah, really pretty. It just needs polishing. I might keep it, but it was 83 cents and I thought it was interesting. You see a lot of really cheap like tchotchkes and like, you know, travel souvenirs. But this one looks well made. So anyway, she's really cute. Now, I stopped by Target and got me 7 of the new Wacky packs, Series 2. So if you want to, check out my old videos where I did ASMR unboxings of these. Super fun and nostalgic. So yeah. Anyways, here is a vintage Party Express. I have been getting a lot of Party Express stuff lately, and they are puzzle invitations. So for some little kid birthday party, and I thought that was super cute. Not a big seller probably, but I think we can list it for about $12 and see what happens. And it was like 41 cents. Just really liked this pillow. We are gonna keep it. It was $2, and yeah, it reminds me of Tammy Faye Baker, known for her eyelashes. What a sweet lady. Anyways, this is some vintage Oneida cutlery that were all bound together. I got for 83 cents. You can see there's knives and some sporks. I got it because I recognized it from Stainless Steel Japan. I recognized it from a tray, a melamine divided tray that we got earlier. So it goes with it, and maybe we can list it with some of these. Maybe we'll list it with all of them, I'm not sure. This is 1 in a million. Look at him, so cute. It's from a Carlton Card stoneware. Kind of reminds me of Sandra Boynton. They all have that similar style. I love it. Probably not a big seller, but I had to get it. Now this was super cool, and it works. I had never seen this before. The Etch-a-Sketch Animator. Now, obviously it needs new batteries. From Ohio Art. Who used to play with Etch-a-Sketches? I know they still sell them, but I thought this was really cool. Gotta clean it up. I wonder if that's the date it was manufactured. So this might be 80s, who knows? But anyways, they sell decent, and it was like $1. So I just had to put that in my 90s haul. Very 90s to me. I know that's weird. 90s to me, like it won't be 90s to someone else. Anyways, this is the the 7 Wonders of the World. And I just love, ooh, look at those Easter Island heads. Or moais. I love the art in this. Really, really cool. And I'm not sure if it's all there. We will hope and pray. And it's Springbok, also Hallmark. So love that puzzle brand. It tells you a little bit about each one. And I thought that was pretty cool. It was $1.49 because I get 40% off. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this 90s haul, mostly 90s haul. Please give us a like and let us know if you have any other nostalgic memories from any of these items. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Keep digging for treasure because it's not hoarding if you at least sell some of it. And I didn't even talk about this. I guess you'll have to watch next video. Bye, everybody.